Kundalini, the light energy, and DNA technology. Kundalini awakening raising is so important in spiritual path, especially for spiritual seekers, because of this Kundalini which protects you always. If you want to travel somewhere, you need a vehicle, you need something to carry there. From here to there, you need to go. It is a materialistic life, it happens. But what about this spiritual life, the metaphysics? The soul is immortal, which exists all the time. It is exists beyond time and space. You got the physical body, which is there, and if you go into the deeper core of your inner being physically, the DNA is there. DNA, the life starts at the DNA level. Beyond that also you see this molecules and atoms. That is a part of energies. But the life starts at the DNA level. According to the soul spirit, how much they had a past life karmas, how much they had a consciousness, how much they are powerful beings, soul beings, the light beings, they get life easily, smoothly, and in the age, in young age or any age, right time they will awaken Kundalini, those who are eligible people only. What I said, Kundalini is a protector, it protects you. Spirituality, which is infinite, the soul is infinite. Those who are in a materialistic life, they keep attachment with the materialistic things. They think this is a life, but no. Even life after life also is there. After leaving the physical body, what happens? Nobody knows. Only except spiritual enlightened gurus. They can experience, they can recognize. It is called as the metaphysics, which is unknown, unseenable. Even science cannot detect the Kundalini, science cannot detect this metaphysics. It's very difficult. It is so subtle, it is so beyond. Science can reach up to DNA atoms, up to there only they are reaching, the energy levels. Beyond this, to soul exists. It is really unimaginable. It's completely different actually. Once you being in social life, once you have spiritual experiences, if you understanding a soul level, if you're experiencing this immortality at the soul level, it's so important, so great. That's what eligible consciousness people will experience that thing. But ultimately Kundalini protects you. Kundalini, it's like your protector. It keeps you safe zone, it keeps you blissful, it keeps you happy. Kundalini keeps you blissful, healthy, young. You will be out of misery, you will be like a blissful human being, happy human being. And the Kundalini is there inside. Because of spiritual experiences, you can go and experience this quantum physics, like DNA, energies, and you're gonna have a metaphysics, all the experience you get. It happens before Kundalini awakening or later after awakening Kundalini also, anything can happen. After awakening Kundalini, you're gonna have a scientific approach in a spiritual path. People might have a dreams, they have this experience, that experience they tell, but what is the right experiences? Which one we can believe, which one we can't believe? What is the dream? What is the true experiences? That only possible those who are awakened, those who are enlightened gurus. They only can understand the experiences, what is right, what is not right. When you're coming into this DNA pattern, the awakening takes place at the DNA level only. Still Kundalini exists beyond DNA. It is a soul level. It is a very depth level. The soul level is the deeper of space. The awakening takes place at the beyond time and space, the Kundalini. You will do works, lot of works, micro level, working yourself the micro level. Kundalini awakening is not only in a single lifetime it happens. It happens many past life also, you might practicing many things. But whatsoever it is in this life, Kundalini will be awakening happens only for the eligible people inside having lot of unfulfilled desires, lot of feelings, lot of negativity inside. For them it is impossible to awaken. Only those who are into Vairagya, detachment, those who are looking for the truth, to know the ultimate truth. The higher consciousness itself brings detachment, itself brings Vairagya. When you're gaining Vairagya and detachment, and you are not giving importance to this materialistic life, and absolutely you practice spiritual things, easy awakening happens. This Kundalini and according to Sanskrit words, the Vedas and the people talk about this Sushumna Nadi, Eda Pingalana. Sushumna is so subtle, so sensitive. First thing you need to purify the Sushumna, first thing you purify this Eda Pingalana. There is innumerable nadis available. You purify it first. After sufficient purification only you gain some energies, then this Eda Pingalana will get activated. Here the DNA structure is going to be changed. Still later on, in a depth, in a space, Kundalini awakening happens at the Sushumna Nadi. Very so sensitive. DNA is a fundamental for the life. Every being has DNA. The multi-dimensional DNA, the extra DNA, the drink DNA which is not activated, you must be activated, sending the energies or consciousness to there to reorient it. You can activate it. And activation happens the DNA level. Kundalini, which brings changes at inner space level, it takes from the DNA, even it impacts the soul level. It brings changes at the DNA level, it brings changes at your biological level, and even cellular level also you get transformation. First thing, obviously according to the person, they practice spiritual things, they gain energies, consciousness. Whatever we do, breathings, meditation, how much you are doing workouts, the micro level, workout at micro level, the energies which moves there, cellular level, but going to DNA is very difficult. Once you sending your own energy to DNA, that is so grateful actually. You can change everything in a positive way. You can change your heredity, you can change your genes. You will be healthy. You practice, you do this, all these things. DNA which exists in a very depth in a physical level. There is the DNA itself is a life. What I said, this Kundalini activation, awakening is DNA awakening. It changes the transformation at the biological level. After awakening Kundalini, raising Kundalini, your mindset is going to be changed. Before awakening and after awakening, you will be has the same life. You will have same life. But before awakening, you had a seeking for something to know the truth, to realize the things, truth which is metaphysics. You experience that after awakening, and when you getting near closely to getting awakening, that my time you experience, and later on also after awakening, also you're going to have experiences. Everything happens at the micro level. We walk out there, and after that only awakening Kundalini, and we experience. When this Kundalini raising, your biological system also will get changed. Your mindset, thought process will be changed. It's not like that you'll be female thinking, the male thinking. It's not. The Kundalini itself is a divine. You have a divine perception, divine thoughts. According to their raising, they have a perception, and perception, you have understanding capability, wisdom. Then you out of misery, out of this doubtfulness. Once you had experiences and this Kundalini which keeps you peaceful and blissful. Two things here. One is, once your doubt was cleared, what is life, what is this, what is that, what happens after death, this and that, whatever which is there, you're gonna have a all this kind of the knowledge. You will, all the secrets will be revealed. What I said before, Kundalini is a protector. It protects you. It is a tool, it is a weapon, it protects you. As I say, the metaphysics, living after the body, it is, we don't know what happens, the misery. The soul, which is so smaller, not even like atom, when you experience it, when you go in a deeper thing, when you're falling into deeper, you see huge. Your physical body is so huge. When you go within, that is what except your ego will cut off. What you think, you are the beyond your imagination, what you are thinking right now. Once you experience the deeper level of within, later on, it is the soul which is eternal again. You are everywhere. Then it can be experienced anytime that, but after raising the Kundalini, whatever you said, the thought processing, perception changes, there you will be satisfied, you will be stable because of everything secrets revealed. Before you are seeking for something, you came to know that after enlightenment, then you will be silence. That's fine, that you will be peace. Okay? Then again, the Kundalini energy which keeps you bliss, happiness. Kundalini is the highest, it's like a fuel also. It's infinite fuel for the soul. This thing I'll explain you further video. What happens life after life, what happens after death, how the Kundalini helps you, how the Kundalini keeps you in a safe zone. That is the next video. I'll make it. Life after life, what happens after death. Now we are discussing Kundalini, the light energy, DNA technology. Yes, Kundalini awakening is awakening at DNA level, and your biological system, your mind thought process will be changed. It's fine. And even the getting energies, the electromagnetic energies, the energies itself, you gain some energies, and when you're getting more and more energies, according to people, if you take negative energy is there, normal energy is there, the prana shakti, and highest energy, pure energy, ether energy. When you're getting some energies, you feel electromagnetic energy, current energy, which helps you a lot, which protects you. That is what Kundalini starts from here only. The electromagnetic energy is the highest pure energy. This energy will awakening your Kundalini. After Kundalini raising, again you're going to see the light within. The energy itself is a light, the pure energy. When you're having the pure energy within, it is itself is a light. That is what Kundalini raising is, awakening is important. First level, second level of raising is important, and you need to reach the third eye. And the third eye, and if you take the crown energy center, that is third level. So highest energy centers in our system, in our spiritually. And you awake it, you raise it. When you're getting more energies, you see the light. The energy, pure energy itself is a light. Still pure itself become a golden light. Again you finally merging into the space. You will be in a space being. You will be there. Once you are coming into this technology, as I said, Kundalini is a protector. It keeps you safe zone, peace, happy. You no worry. You realize the immortality. You will be there. The DNA pattern will be changed. How multi-dimensional DNA. That which the life process starts. You will be the higher elevated mind beings. They have different, only for the enlightened gurus, those awakened Kundalini, their DNA pattern it will be different. When you're coming into this technology, the energy, the light itself, energy itself is a light. The technology which makes you so easier, so faster. You had thoughts in your life after awakening Kundalini, after energy, gaining energy, all these electromagnetic energies, you get positive thoughts. The right things happens in your life.